I'm tired. Running up and down these staircases. Ticket and snack. I think I'm gonna do that. Okay, ticket and snack.
First time dito, ma'am?
Yep.
Okay. Orient ko na lang po kung saan i-claim yung food stamps later. Check na lang tayo and then I'll go. Okay, wait lang po outside and orient po.
Oh, sige.
Okay po. Wow! Welcome to Mount Costa!
It's called the Free Fusion Room. And here are the ticket prices. Lunch box. You get a meal. This one's snack. And then no food. So we're not from La Trinidad. We're from Baguio. Operating schedules hours 7 a.m. to 5 days, 7 days a week. Let's go.
Sige ma'am, you can take a photo sa map po para may references.
So we're basically starting from here. Yes? Tama? Start right here. Ayan. This is huge. Okay? So anyway, we'll explore. Kasi ang daming
Great.
ang daming ano. So,
No picking of flowers po tayo and then no smoking. So next po is we have 4 restrooms naman po around the area. And then next, habang nag-iikot po tayo, let's follow the this way arrow signs. And then after you finish the trail po, meron din po kaming exit na arrow sign and that will lead po sa parking lot po ang exit. Okay. So next po, ang kinuha pong ticket is yung isa lunchbox, yung isa naman po is midday or snack. So you have 2 choices po kung saan gusto i-claim ang food stabs. We have Naima's Catering po and then Iha na nagsiserve ng foods. Okay po? Wala naman pong questions.
gotcha. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you po.
Thank you. So one way lahat to, no?
Yes.
One way lang. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Nandito pa lang kami sa Inca Trail. And it's so peaceful. You can hear the breeze, the sound of the flowing water, and some birds chirping. And hindi ko alam kung ano yung mga to, pero may mga sound. That one. I don't know if you can see, but yeah. Ah, I wish I have a garden like this. So, always remember when you go to Mount Costa, don't ever try and steal one of these flowers. Please just respect nature, and also because it's theirs. Why would you even take something? Right? So thankfully, hindi masyadong maraming tao today. It's a Sunday. Anong garden nga ulit to? Bud garden. Wow, tapos merong parang swirl. Is that swirl or something? Yeah. Oh, by the way, this is ow. Yeah, there are footwalk. Footwalk pala. She is exploring and she's enjoying. Me? Soul searching. As if I couldn't find my soul. But actually I could. I do. I have my soul. Find my daughter. I was stuck at an area in the garden and I couldn't find my daughter. I lost her. That's fine. Oh my gosh, this is enchanted garden, but there's spider. Whee! May first there, a touch of magic. This already is magic. Forest is magic. Where'd you go? Knock? Knock? Oh my gosh. I think there she is. I thought she's up there. Is there's another that one. Up there is another part of this nature reserve. She is looking at some kind of a Buddha, maybe. That butterfly. Come on. I'm gonna cross a short bridge. Steel bridge. Yeah! I think I don't know if this is some kind of an irrigation system. Huh? Kalan ano this taas? Meron eh. It's gonna be figure it out. I'll explore more. I've never ow. Ah, I've never taken any picture of me for some reason. That is a woman. Oh wow. Yay! Yes. No entry off limits. So we cannot go inside. You can probably just take pictures with the laying woman. Yay! Chocolate flavor.
Milk tea and pearls. Coffee and vanilla.
We are claiming our snacks.
Something you like and
Here.
put together. Just like offline with me, add to
I hope it's not gonna.
Yes.
That snack is awesome. So, pagkawa na natin daw. Naimas Catering. Ito. Here. This is Naimas Catering. You can find them sa Instagram, Naimas Cater, Facebook. Naimas means, if I'm not mistaken, Naimas means masarap.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes! I know Igro now. Naimas means masarap. So, yeah, we had our snacks. We got our snacks from Naimas Catering here sa Mount Costa. And we're gonna need to hurry because nasa kalagitnaan pa lang kami ng Mount Costa. And it's already around what I think almost 4 o'clock. So thank you so much, Naimas Catering. Thank you so much. This is my channel, Kickass. Thank you. Salamat. Salamat. Where's my daughter? Yeah. Yay. 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 All right. I'm full. I'm back. I've got a lot of energy again. Yes! So this part, these trees has faces all over. There, one. And a lot! There are faces everywhere on these trees. That I don't know why though, but yeah, very good. This is my favorite. There, and so much more. Al fresco dining. So the tables too, everywhere. So we got our food from that side, and that one's a garden, another garden. I forgot the name of that garden. And there. So you can get your food there and then bring it here. So relaxing, and enjoy your meal or snacks. This is, I think, not really the highest part yet, but because meron pa dun sa taas. That one is higher. Kaya nandito lang kami sa gitna. We need to hurry. It's 4 o'clock. It's 4 o'clock and they are closing at 5. I felt so warm, so I took off my t-shirt. We are moving on to another area, and this way. It's called the Maze Garden. Maze Garden. Wow. Okay. Nice. Lose yourself and be immersed in a journey of texture, color, and fragrance. Maze. Okay. I guess I can. Yeah. This is it. Let's run. Yeah. Ow! Yes. Oh my gosh. Where to next? Here. Yay! I'm a maze runner now. Oops! Oh my god. What am I doing? Exit! I am in the exit already. I think exit. I'm gonna have to call my daughter. I don't know where she is, but the exit is here. She is going to get lost, to be lost. Where is she? She went that way. Look at this. That's another height. It's like a viewpoint up there. I'm tired. Running up and down these staircases. Oh gosh. Oh. It says this way. Knock. There are so many. Ang dami pa pala pupuntahan dito. It's not gonna, I mean, yeah, it's a Christmas terrace. So if you go to Mount Costa, make sure that you got time to explore. I think it's going to take you, if you really wanted to explore all the gardens and parts of Mount Costa, it's going to take you half a day to enjoy, to really immerse, if that's the right term, yourself in nature. So I am going into the mirror garden. Mirror, get only a part of yourself in a photo of the garden and the mirror. Ooh. Yes. This is cool, this is cool, this is cool. Take a look. Yeah, that's the cool thing I'm telling you about. All of those are mirror. And of course, you can see me right there. The mirror. There. Have you taken a picture yet? Okay, let's get in. Yeah, wow. Ooh. Oh man, I can see myself everywhere. Yeah. There's a lot of mirrors in here. Cool, huh? Yeah. And I'm wearing slippers as usual. Okay. There's more. There's more. And see if I can still see myself. Oh wow, that's wind chimes. Where is the wind chimes? Up there. See? Everywhere is a mirror. And a view deck. View deck here too. Let's wrap it up. It's almost 4:30. And nandito pa lang kami sa may mirror garden. And meron pa dun sa taas. There's a lot of areas, garden to stay or to explore here at Mount Costa. And I haven't taken a picture of the mirror garden, so I will take one. I don't know where my daughter is now again, but I'll keep exploring this way. I'm gonna go to the wind chimes, I think. Whoa. Whoa. Twig. Oh my gosh. This place is massive. That's the wind chimes. It's a Zen garden. The central tenet of the Zen garden is to encourage onlookers to meditate on the void created by emptiness, filling up that void with imaginative powers of satori or enlightenment. Enlightenment, that's it. That's the word. This is what they call the spectrum garden. Spectrum garden. What? There's some more. It's a never-ending staircase. And this is exactly why I took my t-shirt off, because there's a lot of going around and running up and down, and I am now starting to sweat. Outdoor lunch. Oh, here's why. Nak, I'm here sa taas. And this, I'm going to go down. Ow! Oh my gosh. Oh, yes! I made it. I think they're going to plan to put some water in this area. I don't know. But yes, I can definitely go down and back to my daughter. Andun siya. I am sweating a lot. And I'm gonna need to tie up my hair soon. It's a great exercise. I'm going to break. Ah! Yes! Oh my gosh! We're going to the exit. I guess that's enough fun for today. You don't believe me when I said this is the exit. I just gonna go back. Yeah. Tara. Huh? The chimes. Come on. Come on. We're going to the exit. Let's run. Let's run. We're going to the exit. And it's 4:30. It's about 5. So I guess. Oh my gosh. Ow. Our very good driver is waiting at the exit of Mount Costa. So he suggested that he can just wait for us because it's not going to be easy to take a cab back to Baguio from here because we are in the wilderness. My suggestion, if you want to visit Mount Costa, you're gonna need to rent a cab, or you're gonna have to come earlier in the morning so that you'll have at least time to wait for your ride back. Mahirap sumakay dito. It's gonna take you an hour for another cab to arrive. So if you don't have a ride, kung wala kang sariling sasakyan, agahan mo na lang if you wanna take a cab. Or pag kagaya namin, we took a cab from Baguio at around 2 o'clock. So I figured it's gonna be hard for us to get another cab going back to Baguio. Kaya it's okay na magantay na lang yung taxi, which of course is going to cost me a lot because he has to wait. That's alright though. So I guess this is the end of the vlog. This is Mount Costa and you're gonna need to visit it because this definitely is going to make you feel alive if you are currently experiencing you're currently experiencing depression or anything, or if you just want to unwind and experience nature, come here to Mount Costa. We are back in the highway. Thank you so much. If you like this video, please, I would appreciate it if you like it, hit thumbs up or subscribe, and make sure to hit that notification bell for you to be notified each time I upload a new video. Thank you so much again. I do appreciate you and stay happy. Bye.